Hello everyone, welcome to Nayak Academy. I am back once again to solve remaining problems of chapter Arithmetic Progression. Today let us work out 15th and 16th problems of second exercise. For what value of n are nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and so on and 3, 10, 17 are equal? What is the question, children? So there are two APs. First AP is 63, 65, 67 and so on. This is the first AP. Second AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on. Now the question is, for what value of n? N value we have to find out, children. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs are equal, they have given. So what we have to find out first? First let us find nth term of first AP, then find the nth term of second AP. It's clear? First let us find nth term of first AP. What is the formula to find the nth term of an AP? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an value is A value is 63 plus n value we have to find out, children, right, as it is into D value is common difference. How will you find out common difference, children? Second term minus first term. 65 minus 63. Let me write here D equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 value is 65, second term is 65 minus first term is 63. So D value is 65 minus 63, it is 2. So let us substitute here in place of D, you substitute D value as 2. So now 63 plus 2 into n, 2n, 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. So an value is 63 minus 2, 63 minus 2, it is 61. Let me write 2n as first. 2n plus 61. An value is how much? 2n plus 61. You call that equation 1. Same way, so find out nth term of second AP. So what is given, children? A value is 3. Common difference A2 minus A1. So the common difference is 10 minus 3. Second term is 10. First term is 3. So 10 minus 3, that is a common difference. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now write the formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An value of second AP is, A value is 3 plus n value don't know, write as it is, D value is 7. So an value is 3 plus 7 into n, 7n. 7 into minus 1, it is minus 7. So an value is 7n, let me write first, children. 3 minus 7, it is minus 4. Now you call that equation 2. Now what is given? For what value of n are nth terms are equal? So here nth terms are equal by statement. So by statement, what is given, children? Equation 1 equal to equation 2. Nth terms are equal, they are given. So let me write 2n plus 61 equal to 7n minus 4. Let us simplify to find the n value. Is it clear? So 7n is here. Let me transpose plus 2n to right hand side. It becomes minus 2n, and 61 is already left hand side, and let me transpose minus 4 to left hand side. It becomes plus 4. 61 plus 4, it is 65 equal to 7n minus 2n, it is 5n. N value we have to find out 65 divided by 5. So that implies, what is the n value, children? 5 1s are 5, 5 13s are 65. So n value is 13. N value is 13. Got it? So what is the conclusion, children? For what value of n? So n value is 13. So our nth terms of these two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal. So what is the value of n? Therefore n value is 13. Coming to the 16th question, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So what is the question, children? Determine the AP. You have to write the AP, children, whose third term is 16. So what is given? Third term. So let me write it as A3 equal to how much? It is given 16. And by second statement, how you can write? Seventh term exceeds the fifth term. A7 equal to exceeds the fifth term. So it is A5 by how much? Exceeds the fifth term by 12. So A7 equal to A5 plus 12 you can write. Now we have to simplify. A3 equal to 16 and A7 is equal to A5 plus 12 to determine the AP. Is clear? So A3, let me write it as A plus 2D equal to 16. You call that equation 1. A7, I can write it as A plus 6D equal to A5. How will you write, children? A plus 4D plus 12. So this plus A minus A get cancelled. 6D plus 4D you transpose to left hand side, it becomes minus 4D equal to 12. 6D minus 4D, it is 2D equal to 12. So D value is 12 divided by 2. So D value is 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So D value is 6. Now let us substitute D value equal to 6 in equation 1. Substitute D equal to 6 in equation 1. So what is the equation, children? A plus 2D equal to 16. So A plus 2D equal to 16 is the equation 1. So A value write as it is, plus 2, D value is into 6 equal to 16. So A plus 6 2s are 12 equal to 16. A value is 16 plus 12 you transpose to right hand side, it becomes minus 12. So A value is 16 minus 12, it is 4. So first term you got, now that is A value as 4 and common difference is 6. Now once you get the A value and D value, then you can write the terms of an AP, isn't it? So what is the general form of an AP, children? A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. Now let us write the AP. Therefore determine the AP they have asked. So let me write the AP. First term is A 4. Second term is, how will you get second term, children? Add the common difference to first term, you will be getting second term. So add the common difference is 6. It is 6 plus 4, second term is 10. Add the common difference to second term, you will be getting third term. 10 plus 6, it is 16 and so on. Therefore, let me write the conclusion, children. Therefore, AP is, first term of the AP is 4, second term is 10, third term is 16, fourth term is 16 plus 6, it is 22 and so on. This is a AP. AP is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. With this problem, I will wind up the session. In my next session, let us solve remaining problems. Till then, goodbye.